Greetings and salutations, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be learning to do a sit variation called the Rafa sit. Before you begin, please make sure to warm up at least 10 to 15 minutes prior to attempting these moves. Let's begin. We're going to start by standing in front of the pole. Come to the balls of your feet, bring hands to face level, roll your shoulders back and down. Lift your legs to come to a seated position. Bring the shin of the top leg past the knee towards your butt. Then bring your attention to your bottom leg and begin to pull the foot back, hooking it behind the pole. Note, your foot should be on the same side as the leg on the pole. It should not cross over to the opposite side. Thighs should be fully engaged, squeezing the pole in between the legs. Keep your hips slightly tucked and core engaged. At this point, if you're feeling secure in the hold, try practicing releasing one hand or both from the pole. To come out of this position, bring both hands back to the pole, release the legs, and come back to standing. And there you have it, the Rafa sit. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more pole tutorials.